Let's talk quickly about the directions for use for the SenSci Activ bedbug lure. And obviously the most important point I can make is that you want to read the directions on both the front and the back of the packet, which will cover pretty much everything that you need to know about using this lure packet. And you can see that I have gloves on. You want to make sure that you use gloves when you're handling the packet itself. And so when we look at the packet, right on the front it says tear along the line. Now this seems very self-explanatory, but I've watched many people do this very wrong many times over. And when a lot of people go to open this, it's almost like they're excited and they're trying to open up a Christmas present or something. And they get after it and they're like, that is not what you want to do. Obviously by doing that, we've just exposed more of the towel than we wanted to. And this is going to now volatilize much quicker than it was intended to. And so when you open these, you want to make sure that you tear carefully and slowly along the line. And so you're going to take it and just really carefully make sure you tear right along that line. And you can see that when you do so, you just have a small piece of the corner of the towel showing. That's now a much more controlled release of the lure. That's what you want it to be like. And so once you open it though, what you also want to keep in mind is the towelette is not meant to come out. A lot of people think that they're handling like a handy wipe pack, like when they're eating chicken wings or something like that. You don't want to take that towelette out. The towelette is meant to stay in. And you're going to take that packet and go ahead and put it in association with SenSci Volcano Bedbug Detector or other bedbug associated monitoring.